whatever's fine, I can do it. Hello, whatever's fine, I can do it. Hello, whatever's fine, I can do it. Hello guys, welcome to the stream. Okay, what should I do? I am developing a game. So what we're going to do is we're going to optimizing a map. We're going to optimize a map. Just a minute. I need to just copy some of this stuff from here. So mhm, 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 mhm. Title and description. Whoa, my laptop is hanging a lot. Just a minute. Recording date. Today September, right? Yeah, cool. Time is just moving as fast as possible that I'm not able to catch it. I'm not able to even catch it. Like anything is not in my control. So stupid and stuff. But yeah, what I'm doing here. Whoa, wait, war game trailer, Indian game. Okay, Unreal Engine. What? Wait, how to do this thing? Engine? Yeah, Unreal Engine. The vlog. Next live stream. Yep. Okay, fine. I think these are enough. Okay, save it. Copy this thing and go to Discord and we need to paste in Discord as well. So go to our this thing and copy link. So go to our this thing and copy link. So go to our this thing and copy link. So go to our this thing and copy link. So go to our this thing and copy link. So go to our this thing and copy link. So go to our what? Okay, wait a minute, guys. Okay, just one more time. Let me just open the project. Oh my god, I think most of you are going to see this project. So I'm working on a second game. The game name is Building Wars. It is, yeah, it is a really good game. Hope it becomes successful. So what's the map I'm working on? Like so if you go to Unreal Engine Marketplace, you can find people are going to see this project. You can find a map which is stylized Egypt. Right. This is the map. Here is the map. So just a minute. I'm going to decrease the FPS. Really, do we need the FPS to be honest? Nope, I don't think so. Okay, fine. So let's get started. So here is the map. And we have more than 2000 actors, which is kind of stupid for a mobile game. For a mobile game, you cannot have more than like, yeah, maybe around 700 draw holes will be good enough, really. Like, yeah. So we will see how to optimize this thing. So first of all, go to this wall settings and change this to third person game mode, third person character. Okay, cool. So yeah, there are some player starts as well. So if you play, so here is a map. This map looks amazing. Yeah, it looks really amazing. Yeah, just a minute. Hmm. Okay, fine. There are not many game enthusiasts in my WhatsApp status, so fine. So okay. So first of all, when I'm trying to optimize anything, I'll try to mainly focus on drop holes and triangles because those are the most important stuff and most one of the most easiest stuff because you can see them literally. So first of all, let's see them. But before seeing them, let me do some stuff that I normally do for everything. So let's go to this stylized Egypt and enable the texture thing. We have so many textures here. If you open any kind of texture, it is around 4K. It is occupying 21 MB. 21 MB. Whoa. So just choose everything and change them to something like around 128 or 256. I'll generally go for 256 because I'm extra conservative kind of. So go to compression and change them to 256. Wait, there is some kind of chat box here. How to get it? I think tools, help, view. Where is the chat box so that I can see? Okay, wait, I'll just go to the YouTube thing only. Hmm. So, yeah, you just need to change your texture size and save it. it is kind of good enough to go for that one instead of going for everything else. Whoa, Arvind Neelkanth just posted something so that I can see. Okay, wait, I'll just go to the YouTube thing only. Yeah, cool. भाई पहले गेम पूरा रेडी करना चाहिए था, इतने जल्दी रिलीज कर दिया. How many, like, for the first game? So what ended up happening is like it is 50 versus 50 multiplayer game, and I need to optimize a lot for that game. But I did what I can really. Like I don't have 3D artists, I don't have anyone. So I'm currently working on the second game. So maybe I will get some funding. So that is the basic plan here. So yeah, the if you look at that game, the game my first game, which is 50 versus 50, it is like extremely, like it's extremely difficult even to polish, like in order to maintain the servers, in order to maintain the UDP connections across 4 GB RAM devices, 6 GB RAM devices. Like that game, like whenever you are having any kind of multiplayer game which is like around 100 player connections, it is like 100 UDP connections, you need to make sure that the connections work perfectly fine on 6 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM. My phone is 8 GB RAM, so I cannot test on 4 GB RAM phones, and so many people say the game is lagging a lot. So what I did right now, it's like kind of an alpha release. It will be like that. But once I get good team, then I'll definitely work on that. So it is 256 now. So yeah, you can see like there is not much difference, to be honest. Like yeah, the ground is okay, fine. And yeah, it is also kind of okay. Just go for high. Okay, wait, I'll try to disable my night light. No, otherwise I cannot concentrate more time if my night light is not that good. Okay, I think it is okay for a mobile game. I think this quality, is it okay? Yep, I think so. Yes, it is. Yeah, it is fine for a mobile game, to be honest. Okay, once we decrease the texture size, okay, fine. So now what we have to do is, first of all, we'll decrease the triangles and then we will see what to do. Okay. So these mountains are like so shit. I don't like these things at all. Like my players will be focusing on here and I'll be having a blocking volume as well. So these are like extra triangles that I don't need. So we'll just go to these things, and so yeah, we'll just decrease these things as fast as possible. So go to this thing, flatten. Tool strength too much, brush size too much, yes, and it is just doing everything. Wait, shit man. Okay, now everything is working fine. Okay, just flatten everything, guys. The mountains take too much triangles and we don't need that many for a mobile game. Nobody really care, right? So yeah, just do this stuff. And this game will be released in a week, I think. I'm hoping in a week we will see. I'm using Epic Online Services, so I need to do some brand thing for it, which is kind of sad, really. It takes most of my time. We need to have website, you need to have domain. They'll give you some domain secret. You have to paste it in your domain secret, something like that. So yeah, okay. It is. I think it is done. Now what we need to do? So let us see. So once it is done, it will be most likely it's be. I think one of the similarities between first game and second game is the pyramids thing. In my first game also there are pyramids. The game link will be in description if you just want to check that thing out. So save it, and let's have a look. Okay, fine. Here we have. And if you are a 3D artist, I'm looking for 3D artists as well, because I'm a programmer mostly. I don't do any of the 3D art at all. So I'm looking for people who are passionate and who can learn faster. Really, that is the main requirement, to be honest. Like you don't know in a startup, you don't know which tool you work with. Some days I'll be working with Unreal Engine, then if Unreal Engine is not good, I should move to Unity as well. So people who learn fast are good. So okay, fine, let's do the stat RHA. Stat RHA is like a basic stuff, man. Stat RHA. Okay, wait, is it 1 million, 2 million triangles? Okay, shit, I in WhatsApp I posted 12 million. My bad. But okay, fine. 1 million triangles. Okay. So one thing you can do is you can go to here, you can go into this thing and you can click on immersive mode so that you will not get triangles of the editor. Okay. That is one thing. And then you can go here and you can go for the game view. If there is any culling or draw distances, you will know. So yeah, I can see some culling. No, nothing at all. So okay, first of all, I'll focus on the yeah, I'll focus on the draw calls. Then we'll do on some of the other stuff. Got it? Okay, let's focus on the draw calls first. Okay, cool. So let us go here, game view, immersive mode, and okay, the draw calls should be around like 700 to 600, and we should not compromise on the quality. So that is one of the things. If you look here, we have around 2000, we have like around 2238 actors in the game itself. 2238 actually. Let's see what are those. Okay, what are these? Okay, borders. Okay. Oh my God. Do I need these things? Do I need these borders things really? Let us see. So if I move it, what happens if I remove all the borders? Does it affect a lot? These are all the minute details which I really don't care. Oh, it substitutes everything. My God, here comes the pain. Now, one of the problems with these things is like, okay, I can use H-lots to be honest. I can use H-lots, but one of the problems with H-lots is like the lighting can be like lighting doesn't work perfectly for H-lots. That is one of the biggest problem for H-lots is like the lighting doesn't work. Like if the H-lots, if UV overlap, something like that, if UV does not map correctly, then H-lots will give you, if you bake the lighting, then H-lots will be completely in black in color. So I'm not quite sure about that, but we should give it a try because if you look here, there is one 3D model here, one 3D model there. I cannot hand pick each of them and merge them. It will take like a lot of time to do that. So most likely I'll use H lots maybe. Yeah, I'll just use H lots, which is of radius of this thing and this one, so that they will cover entire things, so that it will be much more easier. Okay, fine, let's do that. So what should we do now? So let's go over H lots. So go to wall settings and okay, first of all, we have to go to our maps and go to the stylized demo and go for size map maybe. Okay, building data is around 257 MB. Shit. Oh my god, it will take 700 MB in the RAM. So let us browse to this asset. It is to 18 MB, but I think once we resize it, right, it is coming around 443 MB. Cool. The light map size, why it is so much? So if you go here, we have called light mass stuff. Where are those light map? Yeah, 261 light maps. What is going on here? 261 light maps because we have that many lights. Okay, that is kind of understandable because we have so many lights here. So let's see. This map is not intended for mobile, but I'm trying to make it intended for mobile. If you look, we have around how many? Around 20 point lights. So yeah, it's pretty understandable. So let's go for H-lots then. Let's see. If we go for H-lots, there is a heavy chance that it might be good. And what is this? We just, okay, it's a light code. So let's go for H-lots, H-lots. Where are H-lots? Um, I don't know, when people say you should not include trees in H-lots. So I'll try not to include them. We can have a rendering distance for trees most likely. Where are they coming from? That is the main point, right? Go to stylized Egypt, meshes. Here are the plants, trees, everything. Right. You can just set a draw distance on all of them, maybe. It'll be good enough. Wait, these are foliage or these are okay, these are manual placer, right? Got it, got it. My god, the manual placer are also too much, man. Okay. We will see. Initially, I'll do a H lot. Okay. As I said, I'll do a H lot and we will see what is the difference. So how to do HLOD? I forgot how to do HLOD. So let's search in YouTube on how to do HLOD. Really, I don't know, man. Incognito. Let's go for incognito. So HLOD in Unreal Engine. HLODs. How to set up HLODs. HLODs. Okay, fine. Let's see this one.
If it is your dream to work at a manga,
Hmm.
is register for this.
What's up, guys? I'll be showing you guys how to use Hierarchical all of them together. So let's keep it tiny. Make sure that world settings is viewable, and you want to type in LOD, and then this should be unclicked when you go over here. But then click Enable Hierarchical LOD System. So when you do this, sorry, let me just remove these for the sake of the tutorial. Okay, now once you do that, you go to Windows, Hierarchical LOD Outliner, and it'll show you this. So now we're going to set up how many different LODs, or just the different clusters, how far away they can be before they can be considered a cluster. So for now, let's click this twice, and we'll have HLOD0, which is different from LOD from the previous tutorial. So, and you open this up here, and then cluster generation settings. Let's set this to 500 for the tutorial. And then HLOD level 1, we'll set this to 1250. And you'll notice that when you change this, it changes the desired filling percentage. This essentially means, let me just, first let's generate clusters. Okay. Whatever. Okay, so now we generated the clusters. These aren't built. That basically means they're not yet made into one static mesh, but it'll still allow you to see what things are going to be combined together, right? So if you go to LOD level 0 over here, when you click on it, you'll notice that it's is going to be turned into one solid mesh. One static you have to do that will reduce the overall draw calls that you have to do. And then if you notice, I click on LED Actor 5 here, one texture, this generate proxy meshes.
Okay, fine. We'll try that one. So first of all, we have to go to the this thing and we have to click on HLOD. Yep, HLOD. Okay, what is going on here? I'm not able to find the proper thing. Wait, just a minute. I'm using Unreal Engine 4.27.2 source version. So rendering audio load system. Yeah, here it is. Enable hierarchical LOD system and hierarchical LOD setup. And okay, let's click on save. Windows hierarchical LOD outliner. Uh, nothing at all really. Yeah. So HLOD cluster generation. There is some desired radius here, something like that. So what should I do now? Generate clusters or build? Regenerates clusters. Generate clusters, but not proxy meshes. Okay, great. Let's do that. So keep working. All the best. Thank you. If you are a 3D artist, let me know. Okay, fine. Let's look at one of these. Okay, just a minute. Let me close this thing. Okay, fine. So let's see this one. Okay, so here, okay, we are covering this thing. Got it. I think this is pretty much doable. How many actors are we getting? Around 63. Okay, fine, cool. We have like around 63, which is kind of okay. I think also one of the things that I'm really thinking right now is like when I'm moving far away, I'm getting shadows. When I'm moving closer, I'm not getting shadows. Yeah, this is one of the problem which is mentioned as well. I don't know what is the reason for that. So yeah, I think these measures look okay. Original triangle count reduced to 0%. What? Okay, fine. Just a minute. So let us, yeah, I think pretty much these are doable to be honest. Yeah, 63 actors. Okay, fine. Generate proxy meshes. Okay, we're going to have two LODs again. Okay, fine. I'm not considering the map, but let's see how to do that one. What is it? My light map size, right? My light data is too high in size map, Unreal Engine. So this is one thing, this is other. Large build data files. Most likely I need to reduce the resolution of these things. Like even for the smallest thing, if the resolution is 64 by 64, yep, it is going to get increased. Next, no, nothing at all. Okay, how do I reduce the size of? Yeah, build like I am in favor of direct lighting, like dynamic lighting really. It does take less amount of RAM, but there is a CPU overhead in that. Like if you build a lighting which is not baked, definitely it's going to render the amount of intensity that needs to be taken for every frame, which is like too much redundant calculation. But yeah, if you for most of my levels I do only dynamic because the models have some UV errors and they are extremely black when they're baking them. So mostly I do dynamic, but yeah, doing dynamic is one way of reducing the bake lighting size. That is true. Hmm. Using Delaware Skylight to give that nice lush 10 GB. He's saying use two directional lights, that is using direct light as a main lighting source and skylight to give it the nice lush lighting volume. My total build data was roughly 15 GB for all the levels and there were small levels. I got rid of the skylight and added a secondary direct light, reduced the intensity of both direct light sources, turned shadows of one of them and set the light to shine opposite of the first light source. Is now good 10 GB. Okay, so skylight is expensive then? What? Expensive than directional light? This is really interesting. I really don't know that skylight is expensive, to be honest. Also, look under build lighting info, light map resolution, and reduce the light map size by 50% and drop out the build from 1 GB to 300 MB. Build lighting info, light map resolution adjustment. Okay, completed. Okay, cool. Okay, it is done. I think so. Yes, it is done. So let us see. So these are the H lots. If you go near them, then I will dynamically change. What? I need to change the draw distance, man. Really, I need to change the draw distance a lot. But oh, I think specular doesn't work. Maybe. Yeah, specular doesn't work. You can just see the shininess. I think it's because of the specular. Let's see why it is like that. Let's go to the material. If you look at the material of these things, it's a metal. You look at the its parent. It has a metallic and it has kind of roughness. I don't know about these, but yeah, it has metallic. So if you go to, let's say this one, no, not this one. Let's go to the hierarchical LOD. Yeah, let's go to, wait, just a minute, building part. Okay, here is the material. Actually, let's go to these materials. Okay, let us see if building materials, base materials. There is a metal material, but I don't know why it's not working. We have to figure that one out. So just a minute. So we'll have to go to the stylized maps. Maps, stylized demo. Where are the material? Where are the proxy meshes? I don't know where are those proxy meshes. Stylized meshes? Nope, not the meshes. They should be in maps itself, but I'm not able to find them. That is kind of fascinating. Uh, Select LOD actor. Select LOD actor. How do I find it? Select contain actor source view. Rebuild approximation. Create containing hierarchical volume. Okay, firstly, I don't know where these things are. So let's see if we can, if we decrease any kind of draw calls. Initially, it was like around 2000 to 3000 kind of. So where they are? Okay, maps HLOD. Where are? Oh, okay, now it got updated. Okay, fine. Here are our meshes. What? These are our meshes? Really? Okay, I think it ignored most of this stuff. What the? What is going on here? I don't know, man. What is this? I don't even know what is this, to be honest. Hmm. This is HLOTs. That's it. This is the HLOTs. So I think most likely it never included most of the actors, maybe. Okay, fine. Let's see. It didn't decrease any kind of triangles at all. If you see that, it didn't decrease any triangles at all. So reduce the triangle count is basically nothing. It didn't decrease any triangles. Okay, fine. Let me. Can I see where these actors are? Select LOD actors. Okay, fine. Let's see first. How much are we decreasing? HLODs. This is kind of really messed up, to be honest. Like, I'm not able to see the HLODs. Inside maps, we have HLODs, and inside HLODs, I have these five stupid meshes. I don't know what to do with them. What? And now they are not even converting, they are not even changing. So that is pretty much. They should change, right? Let's go to the game view then, maybe. Okay, let's see from the perspective stat RHI. No, it's not working at all. Digelots is not working. Why they are not working? They should work, right? Wait, maybe I did something stupid. Maybe active. Okay, actors represented in the H lot have changed. Oh, okay. Generate proxy measures to update. It is saying it is building 60 actors, but I'm not able to do it. I'm not able to see a shit actually. I'm not able to see anything. It is saying it is producing 60 actors, but I'm not able to see any actor, which is kind of pretty much stupid. But let's see. Also, look under build lighting info. Yeah, I can't see anything. I can't do anything over here. So let's see that one. Size, you're wondering what's my going to want to see screenshot. What is this? So notepad. So we can for the light map size, one thing we can do is go for dynamic by applying optimization maybe. And what's the next thing that we can do for the light map size? Go for dynamic for applying optimization. Then yeah, light mass importance volume. So Yeah, let's see how it is coming along. I hope it works, man. It is also building for two lots, which I don't need to be honest. I'm yeah, like LODs are really great, but if you're in a small area, H lots are not that great, guys, because LODs are not that great because they'll take some CPU time to calculate and all. So, okay, let us go into the immersive mode and see. Okay, our draw calls have been dropped to around 800. Whoa, H lots really work. Now, yeah, okay, cool, cool, nice. Cool, man. You didn't do anything actually. I can say to people like I decreased over 1500 draw calls, but what I did is clicking a couple of buttons. That's it. That's what I did. So, okay, fine. So, what's the next task is our players will be standing here, right? They'll not be standing there. So, we need to change the draw, like view distance, like max draw, something like that. So, let's see how to do that. So, before that, let's see if we get any questions. A to Z Gaming, hello, hi. Jai Hind Gamer, hello, hi. So, let's see. There are people who play games and don't develop games, but I do live streams for developing games as well. So sorry guys if I disturb you. Let's see. Hmm. So one of the main problem that I'm facing right now is the draw distance. Really, I want the H loads to appear when I'm here, right? That's where the maximum gain is. How do I get it? That is the main problem, right? How do I get it? How do I get it? My mouse is not working properly as well. Okay, let's see. So there are two lots, H lot level 0 and okay, there are only one thing. Great. So allow specific exclusion. What does it do? Allow specific exclusion. Okay, so removing something's called desired bound radius, desired filling for minimum number of transition screen size. The screen radius and mesh object should reach before swapping to the LOD actor. Override draw distance. Okay, got it. Actors may sort of change. Draw distance is what is this draw distance thing? Like, okay, so if I'm 10,000 feet away, it should render. If I'm closer to that, it should not render. Right? That is what it should do, right? I don't know, man. Let's see. First of all, let's complete this thing first. So then we'll go over to that one. Okay, first of all, light mass importance value volume should be in important areas only. And once 1 minute. So if we go to this particular thing, if we go to build options, lighting quality, lighting info, light map density, resolution adjustment. Yeah, here maybe I have to reduce something to around 32 maybe. We will see. Okay, let's do it only for 32 then. Fine. For a mobile game, 32 is good enough, right? Let's keep it 32 and 32. We will see how it goes. BSP services. What is BSP services? What is BSP services? Binary space partition geometry is a tool in for basic level design. BSP geometry is a block. BSP material services. What is BSP? What are materials? Adding materials to the BSP. What is BSP, man? Base of BSP material. Let's see. Material block with initial geometry for testing. What is BSP? What is BSP surface? I need to know what is BSP surface. Binary space partitioning. What is BSP? PSP service. What is BSP?
Good afternoon, ladies and
Na, 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 na.
too much, and I'm going to try and break it down and make it as simple as possible for you. Now, before I do this, I want to explain exactly what a material is, and then from there we can start placing this onto our BSP. So first things first, if you go into your content browser in the bottom left, go to starter content and then materials, as you can see I've done here. So content,
Why the live stream is not working?
down and make it as simple as possible for you. Now, before I do this, I want to explain.
Bro, the face is not working. I don't like. In my first game also there are pyramids. Okay, fine. So let I want the face to work. Otherwise, I will not see a live stream if face is not working. Why the live stream is not working? My God. Yeah, here also face is not working. Video capture, OBS, integrated camera. Yep. I think now it should work. Let's see if it is working or not.
Down and
Otherwise, I will not see a live stream if face is not working. Why the live stream is not working? My God. Yeah, here also face is not working. Video capture, OBS, integrated camera. Yep. I think now it should work. Okay, it is working. I will never see a live stream if there is no face, man. It's
starter
really boring.
content. Now, and these shaders are made up of a bunch of images and properties. So what I mean by that is you can see here I have got some colors which are a bit
What
more
is
detail
BSP,
as
man?
well. Dropping it onto
What is BSP surface? Existing surface properties of BSP. Let's see. Okay, it's going to a book thing. Once you upload a material to a BSP surface, you may want to resize or shift it on a self play. This may be done in texture alignment mode, which is slightly clumsy. I got it. What is create a hollow BSP room? BSP. Unreal Engine. What is BSP? BSP is like what? Full form. Okay, BSP full form. Let's see. Binary space partitioning geometry is a tool in UE4 for basic level design. BSP geometry is used to quickly block in a level and place. You can think of BSP geometry as a placeholder for the level until the art department is finished creating the assets for the game. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Then got it. Got it then. Okay, fine. So BSP is like basic block code then. That is what BSP is then. Cool. So we don't need to worry about BSP as well because we are not using any BSP at all. So I think you guys, okay, fine, cool. So these are the things. Go for dynamic maybe if lighting sucks, and go for utmost importance. Volume should be in good region. It should not be in stupid regions. If you, where is light mass importance volume? Light mass importance volume. Where is it? Whoa. Okay, here it is. Where? Oh my God. Now the most stupid things, man. Where is the light mass importance value? Let me delete it. Is there any mass volume now? Any light mass? Nothing? Cool. So first of all, let me have a light mass importance volume before we go on to the fixing out the draw distance. The Hitchlock's draw distance is always messing up a lot of things, to be honest. Light mass importance volume. Let me increase the X until we see it. Whoa, what the? Did I made something wrong or what? I'm not able to see this stuff. What happened? No, got it, got it. Oh my God, I'm in game view, guys. Shit, I'm in game view. That's why I'm not able to see it. My God. Okay, I'm in game, you got it. So let's see. Let's increase the X to just cover up this level. Increase the Y to just cover up this level. Not this entire level, maybe. Some portion of it, and we'll just move it like this. Yeah, kind of good enough. Increase the Z to something like this will be good enough. Yeah. Okay, I think it is okay to be honest. Yeah. So cool. Now once it is done, why HLODS is not working again? Okay, I changed the something, right? So HLODS will not work. So I set the override draw distance to 10,000. So let's see what do we do. Let's before that let's complete this stuff. How can I profile what is my billion? Okay. Okay, we will look at these afterwards. First of all, let's fix the draw things first. So how do I set draw distance for my HLODS? Unreal Engine, HLODS max draw distance. How do I set the max draw distance? Hmm. Okay, this is like this trick. Okay, fine. Let us see. I have a powerful laptop, Lenovo Legion. So why am I afraid of calculation, right? Oh my God! Look at this. Target light map resolution is 256. In a mobile phone, the maximum RAM that I can offer is like maybe around uh, 700 MB. PUBG Mobile takes 700 MB. It's Unreal Engine, that's why it's taking 700. Otherwise, I should have adjusted to more than something like that. So yeah, texture size is like 1024, 1024. I'll keep it 512. 1K for mobile, really? No, I don't think so. Hmm. Okay, what is all of this? Okay, fine. Here is one of the reason why we're not getting this stuff. So let us fix that one afterwards then. Uh, Fix shiny. Okay, we'll fix this thing afterwards. So first of all, we have to fix the draw causing, then we'll fix this stuff. Tangent anisotropy texture size. That is anisotropy. I heard it somewhere. Maybe it's kind of chemistry stuff. Maybe I don't know. Create merged material. One of the problems with merged materials is like they might break the light, but we will see. If draw calls are too much, then we have to do. Use imposters. Okay, I heard about imposter bodies, but do they does Unreal Engine integrated them or what? Use imposter LODs Unreal Engine. Some people use LODs imposters, but that is not available in Unreal Engine actually. There is a plugin that is available in GitHub. Here is the plugin. We have to use this plugin in order to get imposters thing. But they said use imposter plugin, so I'm extremely curious here. What does it do? Uh, okay, fine. I'll ask Unreal Engine guys then. So Notepad. What is this thing? Include imposters. Include imposters means what? Allow distance field. Yeah, whether to allow distance field to be computed for this mesh. Disable this to save memory. The merge mesh will only be rendered in distance. Huh? No, the disable mesh will not be rendered in distance. We will see. Whether to not to use available landscape geometry to color away invisible triangles. We do have no use because there is no landscape here, right? So there is no use of that. Merge equivalent materials. Whether to attempt to merge materials that are deemed equivalent. Reuse. Whether to attempt the reuse. Yep, you reuse it. Not a problem at all. And use texture binning. What is this? Whether or not to calculate varying output texture size according to their importance in the final atlas structure. Texture. Whether or not to calculate varying output texture sizes according to the importance in the final atlas structure. Okay, fine. We'll keep it disabled. Specific LOD selection type calculate. Output UV is okay, fine. Gutter size. What is the gutter in to add? Okay, fine. What the fuck are all of this? Really? What are these, man? Okay, fine. Merge material. Okay, one of the problems with the H lots is that they decrease run draw calls, but they increase the memory. That is the main problem really. They like you're going to have a separate meshes, so they're going to take some huge chunk of memory. Like meshes may not take that much, but yeah. Desired bound radius, filling percentage, overdraw. Okay, fine. Let us see. Let us develop. These are lot ones, right? Okay, got it. Okay, the guy who made this map never made an LODs, I think so. So that's why all of our H lots will be like LOD one maybe. That is why they are saying like LOD one and all. So they're like 64, man. So let's see. I think this is the. I think I should keep somewhere like around 1000 maybe here. Generate proxy meshes. Nice, keep on doing. Yeah, thanks for that. I watch. Yeah, he's a YouTuber, right? Kaushal is a YouTuber. I know him like from YouTube videos. So let's see. Okay, cool. Now we got our H lots. They are working at around 2000. So yeah. So one of the things Unreal Engine folks suggest is to use bookmarks. One of the reasons why they use bookmarks is to have a consistency of draw calls and all. Oh my god, it's too much, man. So make it around like maybe around 3000 maybe. Let's make it 3000 maybe. Yeah, generate proxy clusters. So what we will be doing next is I need to create a case right now in UDN. Light mass importance volume should be in important areas only. Okay, it is done. Go for dynamic fix shining for the light map size. Okay. Okay, fine. Now this is cool, really. Like, yeah. So let us go for the. First of all, let us take some cameras. I'm talking about bookmarks, right? So you don't have some consistency in metrics. You need to have your cameras. So where I'll be placing these cameras is like I'll be placing these cameras in these corners and all sometimes. Why? Just to have some consistency, maybe. Not here. Yeah, here. And I'll copy this thing and I'll place the camera somewhere like here. Yeah, and I will take this camera, duplicate it, place it somewhere like here, and I'm going to place it here, and I'm going to take the same camera and I'm duplicate it and I'm going to take it top. Making it top is like keep it over the top, guys. If you keep it over the top, then you will know what are negatives and side effects and everything. No, no, player will never go to that much top. So yeah. Maybe somewhere like around here will be good enough, right? Somewhere like maybe if user goes here, then it should be great. But yeah, I think we will go with these things now. So if we go to this camera, right? So one thing that we can do here is how to get into that view. That is one of the most important things, right? So let us see first of all if we okay, fine, let's see. So how okay, I think we completed reading this stuff, right? Yeah, this one is not that useful. Use imposters. This is imposter baker, which I'm not able to use right now. Light map versus actual size. Okay, this one is also done. This one is also done. So let's how to get the camera view. How to get the camera view in Unreal Engine editor. I think the perfect question is how to snap to a camera view in Unreal editor. Setting a snap options. Okay, let's see this one. Is what I know so far about camera. You have the typical left to focus on select actors. You also have create camera here with loaded and you can have. Okay, wait, wait. This is what. My God, I think it is not working. Okay, let's go to the simple view. I don't want to waste time at all. So bookmarks, how to create bookmarks, right? That is one of the most important part. So let me do that one first. I'll create around 3 to 4 bookmarks. Then we will see. So, okay, let me choose something else. Okay, so let me decrease the camera speed right now. Here is one view, which I think is important. Player will be watching it from this level. Bookmarks, set bookmark, bookmark 0. This is bookmark 0. Let's see this one, not that much to be honest. Okay, let us keep it something like here. Bookmark, set bookmark 1. And let's go to here and okay, wait, let me go here and let me keep, yeah, let me keep this thing as bookmark 2. uh, Bookmark 3, and let me jump here and I'll make it bookmark 4. Nice. Now let's see. So yeah, let me go to the top. Maybe if one player gets to the top, then who knows. Yeah, he can go to the top. In our game we can go to the top, so let me try to get it something from here. These things look extremely bad, like it's like Doraemon. In Doraemon there is this thing called where he eats a lot. I forgot about that. Maybe a cake, something like that. Yeah, they look something like that. So they are extremely bad. I need to change them as well. Okay, set to bookmark 5. Okay, fine. We've got some bookmarks. Now what we need to do is we have to look at stat RJ, and we have to look at uh, the draw course of, we have to jump to these bookmarks and we have to look at them. Huh, pretty bad to be honest. My God, 1239. Oh God, that is really bad. That is really, really bad. That is really bad to be honest. 1239 is really bad. Let's see which one is better to be honest. Let's go with bookmark. Whoa, this one is extremely bad, right? Yeah, it is also 1000. This, let's go to bookmark 2. Oh my God, it's around 3000. Bookmark 2, bookmark 3. Hmm. Bookmark 4. Okay, fine. Bookmark 5. Okay, fine. So, okay, fine. So what I'm going to do right now is pretty much, okay, wait. I have to look at the stat LLM as well. If I don't look at the stat LLM, then it's going to get done. It's going to it's going to be like stupid, to be honest, if I don't look at stat LLM. So we have to look at the stat LLM as well. So just a minute. So what is stat LLM? Stat LLM is the, whenever we are optimizing this map, we have to look for three things. When you're optimizing a map, we have to look for three things. First one is CPU, next one is GPU, and next one is memory. And yeah, you have to have these three stuff, which is extremely important. Memory, we are kind of at a disadvantage when compared to Unity, but we can do the CPU and GPU. CPU, I'm not looking at it right now. Yeah, draw calls can be a bottleneck for CPU, but draw calls and doing the text size can fix both of these. So I'm working currently on GPU and CPU, but let's see how much memory it takes. I just want to take. What you can do is you can just go to the mobile preview maybe, and you can just play, and we will see. I think it's going to be worse, to be honest. I don't know. Whenever I develop any maps, when I go to mobile preview, they disappoint me a lot, like a lot. Okay, here are these H lots, our H lots. They look so bad. To be honest, they look so bad, man. They look extremely bad. Oh my God, what the? This is the H lot. If I go near, then it, it is, they are really bad, extremely bad. I think I need to rebuild these objects as well. Like I need to rebuild lighting as well. That's why I think they are so bad like that. See, extremely bad, man. Extremely bad. I think I don't need to merge materials maybe. If I don't merge materials, what is the point of doing all of this, right? Materials take dropouts as well. So what should we do, man? Hmm, okay, fine. We'll apply an aggressive culling maybe. I never thought about that. I just went into this thing immediately, but maybe if we apply aggressive culling, then there is a heavy chance for us. So what should we do now? So wait. First of all, generate clusters, HLOTs. Here is our map. Okay, fine, whatever. Let us first of all do the aggressive culling. Anyway, we have to do it, right? So let's go to this border thing, right? Yeah, I'm not going to look at this border from that distance, right? So I'm going to set the draw distance of this to max draw distance to something like around 1000, something like that. So max draw, yeah, I'm going to do an aggressive culling right now, guys. So we have to draw the next step, which is aggressive culling. Right, so culling, we need to do the aggressive culling. So let's see. Desired max draw distance is like 1000. Let's go to the game view. Hmm, that is really weird, man. This is the one, right? I set the max draw distance to 1000, right? What? Is it working or is it not working? Decide max draw distance, like, uh, what is decide max draw distance? So decide max draw distance is like, if I'm here and the object is here, if I am, yeah, start rendering the object if I am less than that. So if I'm less than 1000, it should render. But it is not working at all. What the fuck is going on here? Why are you doing like this? Work, please work. So let's go to the immersive thing. What the? Let's see. So I'll go at the still. Why? Okay, I'll keep it 20,000. Let us see. So got like once I go like around 20,000, it should not render, right? But why the fuck it is rendering again and again, man? It's so bad, man. The culling is not working properly. I hate it. I hate everything. So let's see. So first of all, we'll do it. We will see why it's not working, to be honest. So draw distance. Okay, I think it is min draw distance maybe. I don't know. Let's see. 1000. Okay. Okay, wait. My God. My mouse is not working. Hmm. This is really weird. So if it is minimum draw distance between both of them should be like 1000. If it is less than 1000, then it is disappearing. Okay, then why don't you work here then? The maximum at both of them should be 1000. If it is max draw distance is not working. Everything is working. Max draw distance is not working. Min is working, but max is not working. Which is really we have to reload it or what? Okay, fine. Let me decide max draw distance is exposed to LDs. The real max is a min and all of the volumes affecting this object. So max draw distance is like at what is the distance that it should start rendering on the screen. So I set it 10,000, but it is not working at all. So let me keep it 1000 only. Hmm. I don't know, man. We have to see that. Okay, let me work on the something on the ground here so that I can see most likely. So let's see this one. Let us see these stuff. Okay, these are instance foil is actor. So these are okay. Fine. Let's take this bush then. Okay, so it's a draw distance. I will keep it as 1000. Now, if I am far away, it should not render, but it is still rendering. Hmm. To disable game control, game view, immersive mode, real time off, real time on. Scalability is low. Whoa, low scalability looks like real stylized thing. Hmm. Oh my god, what is going on here? Okay, fine. I'm going to try. I'm going to try the. What I'm going to do now is like I'm going to try the standalone mode just to check if it is working or not. It's not working. Desired max draw distance is not working on this stuff. Actually, it should work, right? It should work, but it's not working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a standalone and we'll see if it is even working in the standalone or not. If it is not working standalone, then we can't do anything. The desired max distance is the only thing that can decrease the draw calls for us significantly because there are all of these little stupid pieces that I really don't get. So yeah, let's see. Where is that bush? Where is that bush? Where is that? Here is that? Where is that? My god, I don't even know where that. So it should not render, right? It is still rendering. What the? So if you look at this bush, right? Minimum draw distance, like the minimum distance that should be there in order for it render. I said 0. The max distance that should be there in order for render is, my god, I don't know what. Desired max draw distance. There should be at least desired max draw distance. I set it as 1000. So yeah, if it is greater than 1000, it should not render, right? Yeah. If it is less than 1000, it should render, right? But it is not working. This is the main issue with these things. If I set the minimum draw distance to something like Okay, fine. Wait, let me delete all of these things. Delete clusters. I deleted all of these clusters. Yeah, I know it. I know it. There is the error, guys. So what is error? Basically, is like our mesh is getting disappeared, but the H load is covering it. That is the main issue, guys. So yeah. So yeah. So you can see the bush will come to life. See, it came to life now. Extremely fast life. That is the problem here. Like it is not even lerping a lot. How do we do that? Okay, we'll figure it out afterwards. Yeah, so smooth look. And if anybody watching it, I am looking for 3D artist for my game. So if anybody is interested, let me know. So yeah, so first of all, let us go to each and every bush. Okay, first let us come from this word thing. Okay, because of H lots, the culling is not working. Because the culling is working, but the mesh is immediately replaced by the H lot. That is the reason why we are not able to see it. If I come this close, it is automatically H lot. On H lot, the draw distance doesn't work. Yeah. H lot, there's a good thing. On H lot, draw distance doesn't work at all. Yeah, guys need to remember. That is the reason. It's an H lot. I thought it's an actor. So this is the building border. Right. Yeah, here it is. And there are so many of these borders like this. So what I can do is I can take all of these borders. Oh my god, there are so many of these. And go to the draw distance. I can have a draw distance of around like, yeah, 4000 maybe. 4000 is good enough. Go to these things. Okay. Building columns. Yeah. Okay. Building these things. Okay, fine. Oh my god, there are too many individual pieces. Biggest problem. I'm going to make them maybe 2000 maybe. I think these pieces should be made at least 5000, and the before pieces should be made at least like somewhere between yeah, let's see, 2500 maybe. Yes, let's do that. So you have this border thing and you have the building thing. Okay, now we have this stuff again. A building part, we have building part. Now we have the bush part. So for the bushes and all, it is pretty much simple to say 1000 is enough for them, to be honest. If you go to this door, where is this door? Wait, where is this? Oh, it's here. And where is the other door? Okay, fine. Yeah, for them, like, yeah, 2000 is enough. Egyptian statue. Okay, there is no raw distance for them because, yeah, people can easily see them. For these pyramids, nope, we don't have any of them. But we just need to make sure we decrease as many triangles as possible in this thing. Yeah, 3000 is pretty much, yep, we can do that. Not a problem at all. Yeah, here comes the main part. Floor. Okay, these are so many floors in this entire thing. It's like too much. Wait, can we go inside as well? Is there any route to go inside or what? Why there are floors then inside there? Oh, there is a route here. Wait, where is the route to go inside? Is it from the bottom? You can go from here. Where? How? No, you cannot. You can come. Okay, you can come here. From here, you can go down. But there is no point in going up. Then what is the point of having this? Right. It's all pretty stupid to be honest. I will. Sorry for calling the artist a stupid, but yeah, I'll keep it 500 in case if someone enters it. Okay, same 500 as well. That is enough for them. Okay, these things are fine. Let us. Okay, for all the remaining floor stuff, same. I'll keep it somewhere like around maybe, yeah, 2000 maybe. Huh. Jugs and all. Nice. Nice decoration, but we don't need them, right? Jug broken. Jug broken. What is ornament? Where is ornament? Oh my god, there are so many pieces, so many individual stuff. I think CPU will be taking a huge hit because of this culling. Because what happens in culling is like for every frame, each object, our world manager or something will compare our character camera to each of these objects and it'll do a for loop basically and check the distance. And if the distance is like greater than the max draw distance, then it will set the visibility to hidden. So it will calculate this for every frame. I don't know how to do it for like 5 seconds, but yeah, it will do it for every frame. And yep, that's a good question. So let us see. Fix shining, optimizing a map. Where is the questions part? Okay, how to make sure culling does not happen every frame. Yep, we can do that one as well. So, right, so the check broken stuff, right? So we can have like 1000 is good enough. And this ornament thing again, yeah. So these are extremely difficult to say. Like for okay, make them 1000 as well. I'm going to make these things as 1000. My God, there are so many of this stuff, right? Pyramid, okay, we can't do anything. Dome, we can't do anything. Stays, yeah, we can do to stays. We can keep them like I don't know, maybe 4000 is good enough. Trees, yes, we can. What is vine? Okay, for trees, I can have like 5000 maybe. For vines, no, vines are like pretty much not that much necessary to be honest. I don't know why they are. For SM wall, okay, we cannot have much things done on the wall to be honest. But I'm going to keep them a distance of like around maybe. Oh my god, I think 4000 is enough or not. I don't know. We have to see. There are so many walls, 285 walls. Yeah, 3000 maybe. 3000 might be good enough. I don't know. And if you look at the wall corner, okay, there are, oh my god, there are so many wall corners. That is why it is around that much, to be honest. Yeah, same 3000 is good enough. Wall fence. Okay, we cannot remove these things. Wooden boxes. Yeah, we can add something like, yeah, 2000 is good enough for them. Wouldn't be, yeah, man. Unnecessary stuff, to be honest. In future, maybe I'll remove it completely. They're like unnecessary. You have this thing, right? They are not following any kind of rigid physics. So, oh, yeah. I don't know. Wooden canopy. What is this? Okay, have it 1000 maybe. Yeah. I think player can visibly see everything, man. It's going to mess up most of the stuff, but wooden grid is 2000. The artist made a great detail to be honest, and he put it for free. That is the great part to be honest here. He made all of these things and he put everything for free. That is an amazing part. 31 actors selected. Yeah, keep it 2000. I put everything as 2000. So let us move fast now. What? Whoa, this looks completely. Whoa, if I go there, I'm not seeing anything there. Nice, nice culling, man. Really amazing culling. The best culling that I ever seen is mine, to be honest. Nothing. There is nothing to be honest. Like culling is extremely difficult, man. In the closed pack sceneries, culling is extremely difficult. Even I do the H-lots. Okay, fine then. Yeah. Now I do the culling. Now what I'll do is I'll try to do the H-lots thing now. Yeah, now it will definitely work. Now what happens is that I will get all of the H-lots here and H-lots will replace them. And as I get closer, I will get these things and yeah. Now let's try to play somehow something like this. Let us go to this immersive mode and first of all let's have stat archive. Hmm. It is still 800 draws. Too many draws, man. Still 800 is too much. Even I did all of these things. It is around 940. I think lighting also plays an important role in draws, maybe. I think so. Lighting is really too much in here, so okay, fine. It's just lighting come under draws. Okay, so we have point lights as well, so maybe they might contribute. This is Unity. Okay, so they are saying bake it. I'm getting cold again. Not good at all. Cold will just make you weak. Uh, Change the atlas size to a much larger size will help ensure that all the UV clusters can fit into one single light map. Some consideration is breaking the setting the size to 100 could lead to a lot of unused texture space. In this situation, it is worth playing with atlases and baked result and something that maximizes single light map is found. It should also enters that will cause a separate rock all different material. These objects could. Yeah, like if you look at our let me see up right. Okay, my God, I think I have to. Huh. If you see there is nothing under here. Alone, 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 alone. Nothing in the scene and it's taking 943 dropouts. Mostly it is lighting. Yeah, it might be lighting. I don't know. One of the reason why people say it's lighting is like, yeah, lighting also takes dropouts because lighting also need to be drawn, right? Let us see how to solve this thing. Actually, I need to work on my game to be honest, but I don't know, man. I'm not having interest to work on it right now. Is it normal? Is it kind of different? The game is very nice, but should be an option to select loadouts and camera should be adjusted a bit more. Okay, just a minute. So, yeah, thank you for the feedback. I'll be adding it. So, option to select loadouts, yes, it is in the plans. So, yeah, I added tank and helicopter, and that update will be I will do it maybe tomorrow, maybe, and I'll try to release that update. And also, yeah, I have to work on the loadout as well. So I'll do the loadout thing and I'll do the tanks and helicopters and I'll release the next update as well. Thank you for the feedback, Narayan. Greatly appreciate it. Okay, so it's taking around. We have 256 light maps. Okay, 256. What? That is so crazy. 256 light maps is really crazy, guys. My God, 256 light. Not even 256. It's 261. Okay, how to decrease this light maps? How to decrease the light map count? We have to see. But right now we decreased it to around 1500. So initially the the dropouts are like around 3000. Now we decreased them to around like 1500. I'm not seeing exact 3000, but the quality looks bad. So now what we have to do is we have to do the H lots now. Generate clusters and generate proxy meshes. Uh, oh my God, what is going on here? Oh, nice, nice. Okay, so we got our H lots here. So let's see how much do our H lots contribute. Immersive and let's go to bookmark. Just a minute. Yeah, like around 1000 here. It is really good. Like what we did is like we went from something like around 3000 to 1000. So it's like, yeah, we decreased it like more than 50%, which is kind of amazing. Hmm. Yes, it is also around 1200. Now our next challenge is to go from 1200 to this stuff again. Wait, it is around 1500. Okay, okay. This is also around 1500. This is 2480. This is really weird. Need everything for HLOS, right? What we need is something like important. We don't need these rocks for HLOS. we don't need these things for HLODs. So we have to make sure that we're doing only stuff that we need. What? So HLOD then never included these things in there? My God, HLOD is also like complete an artistic process where you have to select each and every 3D model that looks better and you have to add it. Let us see. So now what I need to do is I need to let me play it for a minute. So I just need to look at as a player how a player looks at something, and whoa, there is nothing at the top, which is kind of, now it got at the top. That is, we have to change the draw distance here. Maybe I need to change the draw distance as well. Even if I jump, it is not working. Okay, fine. Okay, I need to change the draw distance for this stuff, and need to change. Okay, they are not in LODs. So one of the biggest problems in HLODs is like if HLODs is taking these rocks, right, it's a complete misuse of HLOD. HLOD should always take massive structures. They should always take up massive structures. We will see how to do these things as well. So yeah, so we have these, we have this stuff. It is looking completely fine. Like I'm not able to, yeah, like apart from the walls, everything is working completely fine apart from these things. Okay, apart from this stuff, everything is working kind of fine. Yeah, everything is working fine apart from this stuff. Okay, here it is kind of weird, but oh wait, oh my god, I thought I got stuck. Okay, fine. Yeah, that one is kind of not working perfectly fine, but if you look here, yes, it is also working fine. Yes, it is. Okay, so now what I need to do is, first thing I need to do is I need to have HLODs include only bigger structures rather than small structures. But before that, I want to do something like combining things into a single mesh instead of doing several meshes. So that might save some stuff here. We have to see on that thing. So if you look at HLODs, HLODs should not take up these things, right? They should only take up the small things. But what ended up happening is like everything is small here. Like this one is small, small, small. HLODs don't need to take this stuff, right? HLODs need to work on taking this stuff only. If HLODs start taking this stuff as well, then it will increase in the draw cost. Nothing more, nothing less than that. So HLODs should take up like this entire thing. Let me just disable the game view. HLODs should take something like this complete thing, and this one, and maybe yeah, this entire thing. Yeah, that will be good enough to be honest. And this entire thing, hmm, instead of taking these minute things like trees and all. So let me look at the HLODs here. If I look at the, let's go to the let's scale level scalability, go to the game view. HLODs will cover everything, but oh my god, low scalability is extremely bad here. Low scalability is extremely bad. So I think HLODs should include a lot more than this. let me delete clusters and go to the cluster generation settings, decide bound radius. Minimum number of actors should be somewhere like around 15 actors maybe. Yeah, minimum 50. Decide bound radius for clustering around what is the default one? I'm going to make it 20,000 maybe 20,000. So generate clusters. Okay, my network is not working now. It's generating clusters. Why my network is not working now? Yes, it's working now. So let's see. Just and then I'm going to ask these questions in UDN and I'm going to get back to you because I think I cannot show the UDN to you guys. So I'll get back to you just a minute. I'll just upload these questions and I will let you know. They got signed me, like they made me to sign an agreement where I think I should not speak about hmm, more this thing. So yeah, we'll see just a minute. Okay, just a minute, guys. Hmm, following this playlist. So okay, there's one more interesting thing that I need to work on now. For the experimental level applications. Okay, so first of all, we have to ask questions, right? So let's ask these questions then. So just a minute, guys. I'll be asking these questions and did I close my door? Yes, I closed my door. So what is the first question is it is uh we just where is that thing of mesh generation settings, right? Yeah, in mesh settings, right? In mesh generation settings. So yeah, how to include imposters in HLOAD mesh generation settings. So let's see, is there any include imposters here? Here is imposter, right? Whoa, I think it's like a new option, right? Maybe yes. Maybe it's a new option and I didn't know about it. Include imposters. Okay, so it is going to include them as part of source mesh or what? Okay, got it. Maybe that might be the case for that because there's no imposters thing here. So got it. So I will ask another question, just a minute, guys. And I will open this one. So my questions. Ask a question. What is that? How to decrease the culling frequency? Like culling is happening every frame maybe. So how? Let's go for the project settings first. We have to check in project settings if we have anything related to culling. Support software occlusion culling, minimum screen radius for lights, minimum screen radius for early jet pass, minimum screen radius warn about no preempt. Let's go to editor then. If we can find anything on culling. Okay, nothing is there, so let's check it out. How to adjust frequency of culling. Let us see how culling works. Culling in Unreal Engine. And provides methods for culling of visibility. These culling methods are used to optimize game. Some of the methods like view, frustum, and hardware can work simultaneously better for specific devices. How culling works. To get a sense of one user, the users will cut frustum culling. The general idea of visibility in approach culling is reduce the number of visual logic over time. For example, if we start on with all cameras on the reunion, colored objects also the camera view frustum alone, and you have objects with next to the reference. Culled objects outside of camera view frustum are no longer rendered, leaving only a handful of objects in this view that are culled by another object that need to be checked for visibility. During this process, query will send to GPU to register all objects that are outside of view frustum are available culled now. Each act placed has some sort of using a box instead of various things. One of these being usually whether it's the bounds connector is mounted over a sphere and a box. The bounding sphere is used for fast collision. Distance culling methods like parametric settings and cull distance volumes render or don't retract is based on actor's distance from the camera. Right, cull distance volume. So many people told me about cull distance volume. Per actor instance, yeah. Each actor in this level has almost input rotation that can be used for details manner. There you can see the minimum and maximum rotations for the camera. Cull distance volumes use an array of distance and sizes to see whether an actor is rendered or not within the volume. The culling method is ideal for large outdoor levels where you have buildings or still with some type of detailed interiors where you want to cull those objects that are too small to consider important for far distances. For additional information, see cull distance volumes. View first. Yeah, if an object is small away and it is, yeah, we have to do that one as well. Pre-computed visibility. Pre-computed visibility volumes store the visibility state of a non-movable actor and cell based on above shadow question. This scalable method generates visual data often and works with. Okay, pre-computed visibility volumes is something that you can use. Dynamic occlusion. Dynamic occlusion consists of several methods to choose from each other's. Sorry, sure. Queries are areas are issued to the GPU or CPU to check the visibility state of each. A heuristic is used to reduce the number of visibility checks needed in turn increasing hardware occlusion queries and okay guys, just a minute. I'll be taking okay. I'm doing the live stream from around 2 hours most likely. So I'll be taking a break of around like 10 minutes maybe. So I'll be coming within 10 minutes guys. So until then you guys also take a break. So what should I write here? Can I write anything? Yeah, take a break, right? Take a break now. So if anybody is watching this. So anybody is watching this. So Nobody is watching this. So nobody is watching this. So Okay, welcome back, guys. So, yeah, so we'll be doing until like 1:30 maybe. So let's see how to do that. Let's see how we can manage to do it. So, um, there's this culling thing which is going on here. But before that culling, I want to do. Did I ask it how to adjust frequency of culling? Okay, just a minute, guys. I'll just ask this question. Okay, so we will have a little diversion for an hour maybe. So I'm also working on Epic Online services and is currently not packaging, not working for Android mostly. So I created a ticket. So he gave me a particular thing to work on. So we will do that one first instead of this one, just for like maybe an hour, maybe. Let's see. Editor default map is Egypt. So let's see how to work on that. Hmm. There are some changes here. EOS SDK Manager. I believe this issue with the relay to cache rate only will fix it in this commit. Hello.